bedroom area consists of one bed, a boardwalk motif, and surfboard lighting. And a clock. Got the surfboard lights. 2 separate switches. Outdoor view from this room. For Finn during the day. Building's about 100 years old. We have a skylight with natural lighting and a stairway. Vending and ice. Oceanside lighting, very nice. Old pictures of the area. Big tuna industry on the west coast. One of its room service. Before I go that way, let's look at the hallway. Beautiful banister. This looks original and a new thing for code. Looks like original stairs. Elevator. Drawer motif is all fan related. Got window. It was open. This window's open. You can see the ocean. Everything has this good cross brace for the windows, the way these buildings are built. With textured wallpaper. Nice carpeting. Yeah, on a creepiness factor for a 100-year-old hotel, this is very low. I mean, yeah, during the daytime there's natural lighting, but you see, it's just a hallway from a window. A couple of lights. It's like very overkill on the emergency lighting, unless that's a feature over here. Used to be called the Kikester Hotel. There's not many rooms on the first floor. Coming out this little alleyway here. Artist studios, artist bungalow. Should have seen how much those rooms go for. Here's the exit again. It's a nice courtyard. Right now there's a studio. There's a window we were just at. That room has a lot of windows. They saw cups and mugs. Interesting thing about this parking lot is, besides it being small and a tight fit for surfer pictures, is you got this water filling station, alkaline purified, 1 to 3 and 5 gallons.